Yo guys, welcome back to our introductory class, and we are on episode 5. So welcome. I welcome you guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel and other social media platform, welcome back. Thank you much. Thank you. And try to subscribe please and turn on the notification bell as we get started. Let's get started. So in our today's episode 5, we are going to talk about what is currency. Yeah, though I've talked about currency pair since the beginning of our episode. What is forex? Forex can be referred as a financial market institute that will trade currency, buy and sell. So today I'm going to talk about what is currency. 1, and in this simple terms, what is currency pair? 3, what are the 7 major currency pair you should trade? What are the cross currency pair? What are the cross currency? What is exotic currency pair that you should not trade? So without wasting much time, let's get started. So what is currency? Currency refers to the form of money that is widely accepted within a specific country or region as a medium of exchange, be it banknotes, coin, silver, whatsoever it might be, as a medium of exchange, and is widely accepted. Can be defined. We can use it as currency. Right? Like knowledge is something valuable that you exchange it with money. And so let me just get. It is used to facilitate transactions for goods and services and financial activities. Currency typically takes the form of banknotes, coins representing a specific value. Do you see? That can be exchanged for goods and services. Each country usually has its own currency, such as United States dollar, euro, British, Japanese yen, and Australian dollar, among other countries, can facilitate its value relative in each other. So what is currency pair? Currency pair is money that is widely accepted in a very specific domain, let me say in country, region. Look at it. The simplest example of this is within currency refers to the form of money that is widely accepted within a specific country or region as a medium of exchange. So anything that can be used as a medium of exchange is currency. Look at it. Example, banknotes, coin that can be used to represent a specific value. Then let's go to, in simple terms, what is currency pair? Currency pair in simple terms, have example below. In simple terms, what is currency pair? In simple terms, currency pair refers to the combination of two different currencies that are traded against each other in the foreign exchange market. It represents a relative value of one currency compared to other. Currency refers to a currency pair are code in the form of 3 letters code for each currency separated by slash. So what this means is that currency pair, we have to compare one against another, and it's, look at here is example, we have euro USD, and it has a code that are represented with 3 letters. This place 3 letter. Like if you want to use naira for Nigeria, NAR slash USD, that is naira slash dollar. But it's not in our currency platform. Why? Because it's an exotic currency. We are going to that. So pairing is the pairing of 2 or more currency, but we are using 2 mostly in this. As time goes on, we're going to talk about the other ones below. So for example, euro USD, This is the example of Euro USD as we talked in our previous class. This is This is the base currency, while this USD is the bid price. No, this is the ask price. I mean, this is the ask base, secondary. I mean secondary, base, then USD. This is the base, while USD is the secondary currency. So base and secondary currency, while we can call this as the euro. Look at price. There's there's no price here. Is this price that they are willing to buy or sell. This is the bid price that's talking in our previous video. The price they are willing to sell euro and the price they are going to buy euro. So the difference is 2 pips, but I already teach you how to calculate in the other one in our previous episode. So if you have not watched our previous episode, try to go and watch and subscribe. So here is on another example, euro USD. I'm using euro USD too much for this example. So this euro USD, comparing one against another with a slash. If you check our definition, this is our definition, comparing to more currency, but we normally repair to. When time will come when I will try to tell you about the others. Maybe in our previous episode, in our next episode, try to join me as I try to teach this for free. I don't charge anything. In simple terms, currency pair refers to the combination of 2 different currency that are traded against each other. I think this simple example, this is a simple explanation that you can absorb so fast. So in 3, what are the 7 major currency? What are major currency? There's what we call major currency. The major currency are currency that have United States dollar. Any currency that have United States dollar is a major currency that trade every day 245. That is 24/5 days. Every currency that have USD, you can see here there's USD. There's USD. Here there's USD. Here there's USD. USD CHF Swiss and France. USD. 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 As you can see, all it has USD. Even here, look at them. Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, Aussie USD, NZD USD. You can see these are the 7 major currency that we trade in forex. Every day this market move every day, 24/5. There's 24 hours, 4 days. 24 hours, 5 days a week. So major currency are currency that have United States dollar. Major currency, in simple term, major currency are currency that have United States dollar as their base currency or secondary currency. Let's move further. So what are the cross currency pair? Cross currency are currency pair that did not have US dollar on them. Look at it. A cross currency pair is one that consists of a pair currency traded in forex that does not include the United States dollar. Common currency pair involves the euro and Japanese yen. So these are examples of currency that did not. These are examples of currency. In the list of euro, look at the list of euro. There's no anything like USD. In the list of GPY, in the list of GBP, in the list of CAD, in the list of AUD, this is in the list of NZD. So as you can see, as this trend, there is no thing attached, US dollar attached to them. So these are called cross currency, and this currency move in the market also, but they are not as powerful as the US dollar currency pair. I hope you understand. Cross currency are currency that did not have an United States dollar is not attached to them. Look at it. A cross currency pair is one that did not consist pair of currency traded. That does not include the US dollar. So cross currency are currencies that did not involve any United States dollar pair attached to it. Let's go. I don't want to make this video too far. I think the previous one was something like 20 something minutes, so I don't want to make this too long. I'm sorry. So what is exotic currency pair? List in the example below. So exotic currency pair refers to currency pair that involve the currency of emerging or less frequent traded economy. These pairs are typically characterized by lower trading volumes, widespread, and high volatility compared to a major currency pair. So these are the list of pairs that are exotic pair. In this pair, we don't trade them muchly. The people that trade this is bank mostly, and individual. It has more spread. So instead of you to have spread of 2, you see some of them will have spread of 50, 100 pips spread. It's too high. It's too much. So as a intraday trader or swing trader, what we need is we trade currency that are more volatility and that have high leverage. No, I mean, that do not have high. Listen, exotic currency pair refers to the currency pair that involve currency of emerging or less traded, or frequently less traded economy. These pairs are typically characterized by low trading volume, widespread, and high volatility. Do you see it has high volume? Like, look at the example: US dollar and Turkish, US dollar and Z, South African rand, US dollar and Mexico pesos, US dollar and Brazilian real. So these are the exotic currency that they don't normally move market too much as a forex trader, but when they move, and they are the ones that don't trade much. And if you check their charts, I did not open anywhere, even I would have shown you on my chart. If you check their chart, it's normally like this: go up, nothing. Even though it's go up, it will do like this: go up. Like if I use the occurrence of Naira was not listed here as a Nigeria followers. My Nigeria followers. Let me use example of that. Let me use example like Nigeria chart. We don't have Nigeria chart on MT4. I haven't seen it, unless on TradingView. As time goes on, I will teach how to use TradingView also. So let me say USD/NAR, Naira. Their chart is normally like this. Oh, because as of 2010, dollar in Nigeria it was 125. But now dollar have rise in 2023. Dollar is 750 naira per dollar. So their chart is very high. So people that bought dollar as of 2009, 2010, people that buy dollar and store now, look at there, will be in much profit. So this is it. And please note that the list provided above is just a sample of exotic pair, and there are so many other, because they did not list Naira among them. Naira should be among Naira/US dollar. So we have come to the conclusion of our today's class. So please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that I can do much video. I have a lot to talk about, and I have a lot to talk about in this forex market, because it's not good to enter this forex market blindly. You need a good knowledge, you need a good understanding, and I try to find out there are many YouTube videos out there that are not prepared accordingly, step by step. Many people join my mentorship, they will give you something that is not even supposed to be like that. I don't know how to say it, because this video is posted online. So please try by all possible means, try to digest. It's simple, and the PDF are on my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, and you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. But my PDF are on Telegram. You can download it freely. You understand? Freely I give. You understand? Because this knowledge many people lose along the way. So see you Love you, and see you on my next episode. This is episode what? This is episode 5. See you in my next episode. Bye bye. Peace.